Hi guys, hope everyone's well. On today's video I'm going to tell you the 3 things that I dislike about my Triumph Thruxton R. So if you want to know what they are, stick around and stay tuned and I'll let you know.
Shut up and sit down.
My top 3 things that I don't like about the Thruxton R. These are not in any particular order. I wouldn't say I hate them, I just dislike them, and I know they can be changed. But number 1 on my list are these, the indicators, front and back. I don't think they suit the bike too well. These are the stock indicators, don't get me wrong, they're nice and bright, they do what they need to do. I just think that they stick out too far. I think they could be a little bit smaller and just keeping in with the bike. Now I know you can get upgrade kits for these. I've been having a look, but they are quite expensive, definitely the LED ones. But it will be something that I'll be looking to do in the future maybe. But that's number 1 on my list. I don't particularly like the indicators. So number 2 on my list is actually to do with the dials. What I find is, we turn the ignition on, you've got daytime running lights on this bike, and then you've got your normal dip beam and high beam. And what I find is when the daytime running lights are on, you have the green indicator on the dash to tell you that the daytime running lights are on, and then when you put it over to your normal headlights, the light goes out. To me, it seems like it's the wrong way round. I would prefer it to be lit up when you've got your normal lights on. So that's number 2 on my list. That's one of my bugbears, I should say, that I don't like about the Thruxton R. And so we come to number 3 on my list. This is just me, it can be anyone, but number 3 on my list is cleaning it. I'm used to the BMW, and if you've seen my BMW in the previous videos, you'll see that it's got all the panelling and everything on it, so it's quite easy and straightforward to clean. Obviously I get this as a naked bike, totally understand that, but you've got all the nooks and crannies and everything, and then you've got the wheels themselves, which are obviously spoked wheels. So yeah, cleaning it is a bit of a pain. It does take time. I wish it could be a lot quicker, but that's one of my bugbears. So yeah, that's my top 3 guys, hope you like that. I'm sure there's plenty more that I'll find out over the next coming months and years as I continue to use the bike. Hope everyone's staying well, everyone's staying safe. We've had some good news in regards to us bikers, that we look like we can possibly go out a bit more as from Wednesday, so hopefully we'll get a chance to do that as the weather holds. So yeah, so be safe guys, and if you are out on your bike, please ride safe, be careful, and hopefully I'll see you out there at some point. Until then, take care, cheerio.